everybody, welcome back to another video with me, Jamie, and today I'm going to talk about the Palmer's hair mask. These are what they look like. I have three of them, the one in coconut oil, olive oil, and manuka flower honey. These are all deep conditioning protein hair packs. Now, I know I've done a lot of hair masks in the past, and I got a lot of feedback actually saying that I should do more drugstore as the other ones are expensive. So I've heard y'all and I bought these. I didn't actually get one or two. I got the whole boxes of these, and I've been putting these to a test, I want to say from December or January, and I also gave these to some of my friends who kind of have different hair types for some feedback, but unfortunately I haven't got any from them. So this is just going to be what I think about these masks. So starting with, I want to make a mention that these are really affordable and you can get them at any supermarkets here in Dubai, hypermarkets. I also want to make a mention that I got these from Feel Unique as I wanted to get the whole pack, and at that time when I wanted to buy all of these three, they were not available here in the UAE, so I did buy them on Feel Unique. So if you don't find them here in any hypermarkets, you can obviously go to Feel Unique and get yourself these masks, and they do ship to UAE. The first mask I'm going to talk about is the olive oil hair mask, and purely because I tried this out first because it said that it is for frizz prone hair, and if you've been watching my videos you know I have very frizzy hair and the weather in Dubai just doesn't help. So obviously I was very excited for this and put this to a test. It said that it's a rich conditioner which is supposed to add moisture, defrizz, and leave your hair silky smooth. In my opinion, it did a good job at moisturizing my dry, dehydrated hair, but it didn't do much for my frizzy hair. I would recommend this mask for people who have dry and dehydrated hair. Of course, it does say for frizz, but I don't think it did much for my frizzy hair. I'm going to be adding the ingredient list here, and this is priced at about 10 dirhams here in the UAE. The next one is the coconut hair pack, and this is for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. So this is supposed to repair, hydrate, and add shine to your hair. I have pretty damaged hair since I do use heater tools twice, sometimes 3 times a week, straightening iron, curling iron, blow dryer. I thought this would be perfect for my hair. It did kind of leave the hair soft and smooth, but I think any conditioner would do that. After using it repeatedly, I didn't see much of a change in my hair. I'm going to be adding the ingredient list, and this is priced at 10 AED. However, I wouldn't recommend trying this one. The next one here is my favorite, and this is the Manuka Flower Honey Hair Pack, and by far from all of the three, I really like this one. This, like the other two, can also be used on dry, dehydrated hair. What this will also help with is repair and restore dry, brittle, breakage prone hair, and will also seal the cuticle ends and leave your hair with a shiny and healthy looking hair. Surprisingly, this is my favorite mask from the three. I'm not sure about repairing the hair because I didn't notice a big change, but it did help in defrizzing my hair. It also helped it look really shiny and left it really smooth. I think this is my favorite mask from the three, and I would highly recommend it. I'm going to be adding the ingredient list here for you to read, and this is also priced at 10 AED. So the way I use this is after I shampoo my hair. Sometimes I'll shampoo my hair once, sometimes I'll shampoo my hair twice. If there's any extra product in my hair, kind of product buildup, and then like any other conditioner, I will scoop this amount and start from the very start of my hair, like the scalp, to the very ends, and I'll sometimes add a little extra at the ends just because my ends are really dry, and I do end up using the entire pack because I do have long and my hair is generally thick, so I end up using the whole pack. But of course, if you do have shorter hair, you can obviously use just half and keep the other half for the next time. I don't know if you know, but Palmer's cocoa butter is against animal testing. I know these masks are really affordable. Of course, I didn't like all of them, but I do kind of gravitate towards buying a little more expensive mask for my hair just because I actually see results, and I'm always, you know, trying to buy products where I can see results, if not instantly, but maybe in the course of time. But I do not see quick results. I've been using this for 3 months now, but I've not seen anything change. I used this for a month. I used this for another month. Of course, this was a little better, but this it didn't do much for my hair. So if I have to put this in the order of what I like, I think this is definitely first place. I really like this mask. This would be the second, but of course it says that it is for frizz prone hair. Of course it didn't defrizz my hair completely, but yeah, I think this was an okay mask. But the mask that I had really high hopes about didn't do much, and I was kind of bummed. It has raw cocoa oil that's harvested from coconut palm. I mean, it just looks so good, and I really wanted to like it, but yeah, I think this is the worst from the three. These masks are sulfate, phthalate, and paraben free. They also do not contain any kind of mineral oils, no gluten, and no dyes. Like I mentioned in the beginning, it's available in Dubai at any major supermarkets. Here in the UAE, you can get it at Lulu's, Carrefour. If you're in the UK, I know at least Feel Unique has them as well. If you're in the US, I did see them at Ulta and at Target. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of short to the point reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll really appreciate that. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, you take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.